Good day everyone. So for today our topic is all about unit conversion. So let's begin with the first problem. The mass of a flash drive is 3 grams. Convert the measurement to centigrams. Use 1 gram is equal to 100 centigrams. So here we need to convert 3 grams into centigrams. Now, what I want you to understand is every time we have this whole number can be located in the numerator. So we can write here 3 grams multiplied by the conversion factor. Now, since 3 grams can be located in the numerator, we need to write 1 gram in the denominator. Why? So that we can cancel the grams later on and then write 100 centigrams. After that, we can proceed to the multiplication. So we can cancel the grams here, we can cancel the grams here. So what's left here is the centigrams. And then we can multiply 3 times 100 centigrams is equal to 300 centigrams. So therefore, the answer here is we have 3 grams is equal to 300 centigrams. Okay, let's have another problem. The distance between cell phone company A and B is 87 meter. Convert the measurement to centimeter. So our goal is to convert 87 meter to how many centimeters. Now we can use the conversion factor here. So again, let's write 87 meter multiplied by the conversion factor. So we need to write 1 meter on the denominator and 100 centimeters on the numerator. Then let's multiply. First, let's cancel meter and meter. Again, our rule here is we can cancel if one is on the numerator and the other one is on the denominator. Okay? And then let's multiply 87 times 100 centimeter is 8,700 centimeter. So therefore, our final answer is 87 meter is equal to 8,700 cm. Okay, let's have another problem. You may pause the video first and then try to answer this problem. And then later on, let's check if you get the correct answer. Okay, let's proceed. A wireless router supports a range of up to 4,572 centimeter indoors. Calculate the length in meters. Now, let's convert 4,572 centimeter into how many meters. Now, we can use the conversion factor here. Let's write first 4,572 centimeter times, okay, again, since 4,572 centimeter is located in the numerator, we need to write the 100 centimeters, of course, on the denominator so that we can cancel later on the centimeter. And let's write 1 meter on the numerator. That's answer. Okay, let's multiply now. So let's cancel first the centimeter and then let's solve. 4,572 times 1 meter is still 4,572 meters divided by 100. We have now, the answer is 45.72 meters. So the answer here is we have 4,572 centimeter is equal to 45.72 meters. Okay.